Searching for the best Ar15 iron sights feels like reading the same ad 5 times. Same flip-up design, same fiber optics, same tactical claims. But if you've ever tried zeroing a backup sight or switching between close and long-range shots, you know the real difference isn't in the photos. It's in the details most brands won't tell you. Product number 1, Magpul MBUS Gen 3. The Magpul MBUS Gen 3 is what you think of when you imagine a reliable backup sight. It's all polymer, weighs just 3.2 ounces, and clamps onto any Picatinny rail without tools. If you want something that deploys instantly and won't fail when your optic goes down, this is worth a serious look. The spring-loaded flip-up mechanism is smooth, and the ambidextrous push button means you can operate it left or right-handed. The rear has 2 apertures, small for precision, large for speed, and the front post is dual width for fine-tuning. Made in the USA, it's built for real use, not just range days. Here's why this matters for you specifically. In high-stress situations, you need sights that pop up fast and stay zeroed. The tool-less elevation adjustment lets you dial in your zero without fumbling for tools, and the impact-resistant polymer holds up to drops, mud, and recoil. Over 1,000 sold last month, and while we don't have user ratings yet, Magpul's reputation speaks volumes. Now, some people complained about the polymer feeling cheap compared to metal. Here's the thing though, polymer is lighter, doesn't rust, and absorbs shock better. Unless you're slamming your rifle into concrete, it's more than tough enough. This is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense, duty-ready backup sight that works every time. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer all-metal construction. But for reliability and ease of use, it's hard to beat. Product number 2, NIRIAHO Fiber Optic Flip-Up. The NIRIAHO fiber optic sights are a budget-friendly option with red front and green rear dots that really pop in daylight. Priced under $21, they're made of nylon and weigh less than 1/10 of a kilogram. If you want fast target acquisition without spending much, this is worth a look. The flip-up mechanism is spring-loaded, and you get an Allen wrench for easy mounting. Tool-free adjustment means you can tweak the front height and switch between 2 rear apertures for close or long-range shots. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Fiber optics gather ambient light, so in bright conditions, those dots are instantly visible, no batteries, no failure points. Great for airsoft or casual range use where speed matters more than extreme durability. Over 100 sold last month, and while reviews aren't in yet, the price-to-feature ratio is solid. Now, some people complained about the nylon feeling flimsy and the sights not holding zero after heavy use. Here's the thing though, for under $21, you're not getting military-grade durability. If you're using an airsoft gun or a plinking rifle, it's more than adequate. But if you're running a high-recoil setup or need something for self-defense, this might not be it. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or using an airsoft rifle and want quick, visible aiming points. Skip this one if you need something for serious field use or frequent adjustments. Product number 3, TPRCOL Low Baseline Fiber Optic. The TPRCOL Low Baseline sight is designed for minimal footprint and maximum visibility. At just 30 grams and made of high-strength nylon, it sits low on your rail so it won't interfere with optics or lasers. If you want a lightweight, low-profile backup that still gives you fast target acquisition, this is worth considering. The green and red fiber optics brighten under sunlight, and the ultra-low design lets you install it without removing other accessories. It's especially good for compact rifles or setups with limited rail space. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When every inch counts, a bulky sight can block your primary optic or throw off your cheek weld. This one avoids that. The flip-up action is smooth, and the dual apertures let you switch from CQB to longer shots quickly. Over 100 sold last month, and while we're waiting on reviews, the design is smart for its niche. Now, some people complained about the fiber optics being less bright than expected in low light. Here's the thing though, fiber optics rely on ambient light, so in dim conditions, they'll never match tritium or illuminated sights. But in daylight, they're excellent. This is perfect for you if you run a compact AR or want a backup that doesn't get in the way. Skip this one if you frequently shoot at dawn, dusk, or indoors without bright lighting. Product number 4, PIHSSFULL Front Sight Tool. The PIHSSFULL front sight adjustment tool isn't a sight, it's what you need to properly set up your iron sights. Made of alloy steel with a rubber grip, it works with both A1 and A2 front sights, handling 4 and 5 prong configurations. If you want to zero your rifle accurately without stripping screws or guessing, this $11 tool is essential. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Even the best sights are useless if they're not properly adjusted. This tool lets you make fine, repeatable changes without damaging your sight post. It's small, durable, and fits in any range bag. Over 100 sold last month, and while it's not flashy, it's a must-have for anyone serious about accuracy. Now, some people complained about the rubber grip wearing down over time. Here's the thing though, for $11, it's a disposable precision tool. Replace it when needed, but don't skip it. This is perfect for you if you hand load, shoot at distance, or just want your rifle dialed in. Skip this one only if you never adjust your sights or rely entirely on optics. Product number 5, NIRIAHO Green Front/Red Rear. This second NIRIAHO model swaps the colors green front, red rear, which some shooters prefer for faster front post acquisition. Otherwise, it's nearly identical to the first, nylon build, flip-up design, tool-free adjustment, and under $21. If you've tried red front sights and found them hard to track, this green front version might click for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Color preference is personal. Some find green easier on the eyes or quicker to pick up, especially in bright light. It's still best for airsoft or casual use, not heavy-duty applications. Over 50 sold last month, so it's less popular but fills a niche. Now, some people complained about the same durability issues as the first model. Nylon can crack under stress. Here's the thing though, if you're not abusing your rifle, it'll last plenty long. This is perfect for you if you prefer green front dots or want a cheap backup for a secondary gun. Skip this one if you need something for duty or frequent use. So which one's right for you? The Magpul MBUS Gen 3 is the gold standard for reliability. The NIRIAHO models are great budget picks for airsoft or plinking. The TPRCOL is ideal if you need something low and light. And the PIHSSFULL tool, don't overlook it, zeroing matters. No single sight fits everyone, but now you know what to look for. Drop your setup in the comments, I'd love to hear what works for you.